What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to We Teach AI Designs. And in this video, I'm going to go over a question that we had here in our comments. And it reads from Captain Sparrow. Can you do a video on how you created your profile picture? Now, this is my profile picture for We Teach AI Designs. And we're going to show you how I did this right inside Midjourney. Let's get right to it. All right, so currently I'm on my Midjourney home profile. And I just want to let you guys know that it's important to remember that even though you're using the same prompts, even though you're using the same commands, you're not going to come out with the exact same image, but you'll come up with something in the same ballpark, in the same frame, the same style, the same colors, different things like that. So I just want you guys to remember that. This is why I'm so just okay with just giving away any prompts, because I know whatever you guys create is going to be super dope and super unique to you. All right, so the first thing I did in terms of creating my profile, I went through the community feed right here. I scrolled through and I ended up getting inspiration from other creators on the Midjourney platform. I have the $30 version, so I'm able to view the community. If you have the $10 version, you can see that as well. I think it's when you just have the free version with just the free credits, you won't be able to see it. So what I did was I scrolled through and I was like, hey, you know what? I like this. So I clicked bookmark right here. See that? Bookmark. You could bookmark that, or you can actually select to follow that creator. You can follow that creator. If you just like their stuff, you go to their page and they're just creating some awesome, amazing stuff like this right here. Super dope. I would follow this person. Let's go ahead, click follow. Just like that. And you get a chance to see their designs. And right here on the left hand side, you could go to your personal feed, which is everyone that you follow, or you could go to your bookmarks that you knew right here to the left side. I don't know why it's acting crazy, but left side, community feed, personal feed is going to be people who you follow. The bookmarks is going to be people that basically content that you saved. Let's say you don't really want to follow another creator, but you just like that particular image they created. So that's what I did. I went to their page. I used the three dots here and I clicked copy full command. Copy full command. And that's what I did to go ahead and create the profile image similar to mine. I found something that was super dope, super unique, and I was able to do that. So let me go to my home page here so that way we could use the exact prompts that I used to create my profile picture. So we're going to scroll down a little bit. Excuse me. This is the exact profile image that I have. This is what's on We Teach AI Designs now, just to kind of show you what some of the other images look like with using the same prompts. These are some of the options. What I did was I scaled up the one here to the bottom left. I thought that had like this, the vibe that I wanted to go with. So let's go straight directly to mine, and I'm going to kind of show you the process. So you go to an image that you like. This is mine. We're going to click the three dots. We're going to click copy. We're not going to just click prompt. We're going to click full command right here with the full command. We're going to click full command here. And we are going to hit the / imagine. We're going to paste it. I'm going to get rid of the V4 and the Q2 right now, because that's basically all we need. Black man podcast on a microphone, CYBERPUNK. Very simple, nothing nothing really drastic or anything like that. A lot of times, with prior versions 1, 2, 3, you had to do all these prompts to be able to get something really cool. With version 4, you don't have to. I really like that. We're gonna actually go through and we're gonna get creative a little bit. We're gonna click copy. We're gonna click job ID. We're gonna go there and we're gonna / here, and we're gonna see the difference between the two, or if it even allows me to be able to see it. And again, these a lot of times it's not the exact same thing. It's somewhere in the ballpark, so you can use some of the same stuff and still remain creative. Keep in mind I use relax mode, so we're gonna go ahead and speed this up. Okay, so we're all loaded up here, so we're gonna go ahead and make this big. We're gonna actually make it even bigger. We're gonna click open original. It's gonna open up a new tab, and we're gonna look left, right, left, right. Very similar to the image that I have as my profile picture, but it's not quite the same. And that's the uniqueness of Midjourney. It can create something that's similar but still different. So as you see, this is my profile image currently, and these are the ones that it came up with. So you could get some pretty cool stuff here. And, you know, just always remember, you know, you can always re-roll it. You know, you can always just click it again and create 4 new images. That is just in case there's some elements in it that you just don't like. Or, you know, of course, you could do the version 1, version 2, versions 3, versions 4. You could kind of just modify those things, but that's pretty much how we created our profile picture. Use these prompts. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put these prompts in the bottom. So if you find something, you know, useful or helpful, please feel free to subscribe, like, comment. I love doing these videos, and I want to continue to be able to help others and teach others, and help people grow in this. You know, this is an open, free, you know, system. Well, it's not free. You got to pay $30, but it's a free system. In regards to art and creativity. You know, there's no limits to what you could do. So there's no reason for us to gatekeep or hold on to it or sell prompts. I want to be able to help you guys tenfold. So, you know, just let me know whatever videos you want me to create. I can do that. And until next video. Yeah.